Hey guys, so cleaning up some bushes we found on the edge of our property. Just wanted to fill you in and show you what we got. Got to get rid of all the poison ivy and stuff so they can. We got some black raspberry bushes. We got a couple of them cleaned up, and they're a bunch all in all this brush the whole way up. We got more, so we're gonna try to clean them up slowly and get in, and we'll show you what they look like afterwards. So we cleaned up a lot of this so we can get into our wild black raspberries, and we're starting here, getting this all cleaned up. And there's the dog, Mr. Bo, likes to show his appearance in the video. And we're getting all this cleared up in here around these two trees because this is one pretty big plant all entwined together. Got some ripe ones and some ones that are still gotta go. So we'll pick the ripe ones today. And just wanted to give you a little update, and we'll make this video posted here in a day or two. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.